What if everything you've been told about losing belly fat is wrong? What if I told you that running, sweating, and doing endless cardio is not the fastest way to lose belly fat? In fact, it might be the reason you're stuck. Today, I'm going to show you the #1 method to lose belly fat without cardio backed by science, and once you understand this, your entire approach to fat loss will change. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also give you a simple plan you can follow starting today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about simple, effective fitness strategies that actually work in real life. No complicated routines, no fake promises. If your goal is to lose stubborn belly fat and finally see results, this video is exactly what you need. Section 1. Why belly fat is so stubborn. Let's start with understanding the problem. Belly fat is not just about appearance, it's also linked to your hormones and lifestyle. There are two types of belly fat: subcutaneous fat, under the skin, visceral fat, around your organs. The dangerous one is visceral fat, and it's usually the hardest to lose. Why? Because your body stores fat in the belly when you're stressed. You eat too much sugar, you don't sleep enough, your activity is unbalanced. So if you're only focusing on workouts but ignoring lifestyle, you're fighting a losing battle. Section 2. The biggest fat loss mistake. Let's talk about the biggest mistake people make. They rely only on cardio. Think about it. You run for 30 minutes, burn some calories, then what? Your body goes back to normal. But here's the problem. Your metabolism doesn't improve much. You're not building muscle. You feel hungrier, and sometimes you even eat back the calories you burned. That's why many people say, "I do cardio every day, but my belly fat won't go away." Section 3. The #1 method explained. Now let's get into the real solution. Strength training plus high-protein nutrition plus calorie control. This is the winning combination. Let's break it down. 1. Strength training. When you lift weights or use your body weight, you build lean muscle, and muscle is powerful. It burns calories even when you're doing nothing, sleeping, sitting, relaxing. This means your body becomes more efficient at burning fat all day long. 2. Afterburn effect. After a strength workout, your body keeps burning calories for hours. This is something cardio cannot match at the same level. 3. Fat loss without muscle loss. Most people lose weight but also lose muscle. That's why they look skinny fat. Strength training helps you lose fat while keeping your muscle, giving you that lean, toned look. Section 4. The perfect workout plan. Now let's make this simple and practical. Here's a beginner-friendly weekly plan. Day 1. Full body squats, 3 sets, push-ups, 3 sets, plank, 30 seconds times 3. Day 2. Rest or light activity. Day 3. Full body lunges, 3 sets. Dumbbell rows, 3 sets. Shoulder press, 3 sets. Day 4. Rest. Day 5. Repeat. Keep your workouts between 20 to 40 minutes. Focus on form, not speed. And every week try to improve. More reps, better control, slightly more weight. That's how real progress happens. Section 5. The diet strategy. Now listen carefully, this part is everything. You cannot out-train a bad diet. Step 1. Eat in a slight calorie deficit. You don't need to starve, just eat slightly less than your body needs. Step 2. Increase protein intake. Protein is your best friend for fat loss. It helps you feel full. Maintain muscle, boost metabolism. Examples: eggs, chicken, fish, yogurt, lentils, beans. Step 3. Control carbs and sugar. You don't need to remove carbs, but avoid sugary drinks, processed snacks, fast food. Step 4. Drink more water. Sometimes you think you're hungry, but you're just dehydrated. Section 6. The hidden factors. Now let's talk about what most people ignore. Sleep. If you sleep less than 6 hours, your fat loss slows down. High stress equals high cortisol. High cortisol equals more belly fat storage consistency. This is the real secret. Not motivation, not shortcuts. Consistency beats everything. Even if you follow this plan 70 to 80% perfectly, you will see results. Section 7. What results to expect? Let's be real, this is not magic. In the first 2 to 3 weeks, you'll feel stronger. Your energy improves in 4 to 6 weeks. Belly fat starts reducing, clothes fit better. In 8 to 12 weeks, visible transformation. The key is patience. So here's the truth. You don't need cardio to lose belly fat. You need strength training, high-protein diet, smart calorie control, consistency. If you follow this, results are guaranteed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's struggling with belly fat. And comment below, are you team cardio or team strength training? See you in the next video.